Hello guys, in this tutorial we are going to discuss about htaccess, which is a configuration file. Before discussing this, let's consider some scenarios. In this URL is not pointing to some web pages like .html, .php, .sp, etc. But still it is showing some web pages. How we can do this? We can do this via htaccess. What if we have installed SSL on our website, but users still want to access unsecure version of our website via HTTP? How we can control this? We can control this via htaccess. What happens if user wants to access something that is broken, that link is broken, or simply a 404 error or error like this? How we can manage these errors smoothly? We can do this via htaccess. How we can prevent so that no one can see our website file like this? Simply, this is someone's website file. How we can prevent this so that no one can see our website file? So formally, configuration. htaccess is a configuration file for use on the web server running Apache. It helps to enable or disable additional functionalities and features. You can read out this document. So enough talking, let's start. So go to the control panel, or if you are using localhost, I will tell you how you can do this. So go to the control panel and open file manager. Go to the public HTML. If you are using localhost, I guess if you are using XAMPP, you can go to the htdocs, or if you are using WAMP, you can go to the www folder. Okay, in if you have your site host, you can go to public HTML and create a file called .htaccess. htaccess. Remember, it starts with .htaccess. Okay, by default file started with dot is hidden, so you can go to the setting and check this checkbox, show hidden files. Now added this file. First thing first, let's do this. Okay, clean URL. It's called clean URL. I want, if anyone who type index, it must go to the index page of the website instead of 404 error. So create a rewrite rule for that. If anyone write rewrite rule, anything that start with index, it will internally redirect to HTML, index.html. Now save this. Now open this URL again. Now you can see it redirects to the index page of the website. This is the first scenario. Now go to this page. Web page is called whoweare.html. Now I want, if anyone type our website /about, so he must go to this page. Now again, rewrite rule for that would be anything that start with about, it will redirect to the internally redirect to the who we are whoweare.html. Now open this file again. Now you can see it internally redirect to some other page. About.html or about.php doesn't exist, but user don't know which page is pointing. It is pointing. Now next thing is next thing is, if we have some long URL, like this is the admin panel of the website. dummy admin panel actually. So I want, if someone type our website slash admin, so he must go to that admin login page. So now for that, let's create a rewrite rule. Actually redirect, I want to show external redirection. I will teach you how we can do this. Redirect, if admin means if someone types like admin, it will redirect to the panel UI login.php. This path is, you can check out this path here. Panel, where is panel? So I have typed panel inside this UI folder. Inside this is called login.php. This file, this is the admin login file. And now I think we have saved the changes. Now again refresh this. Now you can check out, if someone type our website slash admin panel, it will redirect to the admin login page. Here two things to notice. First is, this is called, this is called internal redirection. Means in this redirection URL doesn't change, redirect. Or this is called external redirection. In this URL changes along with redirection. Okay, if someone type admin, it display the pages which page it is pointing, but in this it doesn't display the pages. It is called internal redirection. Okay, now next thing is maybe error documentation. Error. Now there's an article on wait, if someone just type something that someone requests a file that doesn't exist or broken, or if anything goes wrong, some error occur, how we can manage these errors smoothly. There's an article on htaccess, I want to read that. Creating custom error pages is very useful. It allows you to show website visitors a friendly error message. For instance, if a URL on a website doesn't work, this avoids the unfriendly 404 file not found error and allows you to display a friendly error explaining possible solutions and guiding the visitor back into your website content rather than leaving them frustrated and lost. So next, create an error document. I have already done that. Inside error pages, there are a couple of 404 error. You can create pages like 500 or 403 forbidden. So I am displaying some, I am managing 404 error. So write error document 404, which error you want to handle. I have typed 404, then it will redirect to the error pages slash page name, which file you want to redirect. Now again open this file. It shows some friendly error. I know design is not as good, but I'm not a designer. So back to the home. So this, you can manage this error like this smoothly. Or the next thing is what? Okay, so indexing. So as we have discussed earlier, so how you can prevent. Before this, I don't know that this loophole exists in my website, so I have typed this. Now you can check, this is my website content. So how you can prevent so that no one can see your website content, website indexing. So go to the htaccess file, which is in public HTML folder, type options minus hyphen indexes. Okay, it is saved. Now refresh this URL. Here it got forbidden for 403 error, but it will not let other user to access your website content. It stop indexing. Okay, now okay, before redirecting something or rewriting, make sure write engine is on. Right engine is on by default, it's on, but we're on the safer side. And before writing rewrite rule, make sure rewrite module is exist in your web server or it is installed. Rewrite if module mode is beyond the safer side. Module dot this I think module module I think it is 10. Oh, now access index, yes, that's working. Now be on the safer side. First check if this module mode rewrite exists, then do all the redirection. Okay, now next thing is, yes, of course, HTTP and HTTPS. Now we have installed SSL so that everyone can use our HTTPS version of our website, because HTTP is not as much secure as HTTPS. So but still, if a user wants to access your website content via HTTP, how we can control this, how we can forcefully redirect them to the HTTPS version of the website. Now go to this htaccess file and first check rewrite condition ampersand HTTPS is not on. First check if HTTPS is not on, means HTTP, then redirect them. Rewrite rule. Okay, anything that starts with this and dollar is for end of matching HTTPS. Just write a general rule so that you can use this in all website. HTTP host ampersand request underscore URI. Okay, so first we have checked a condition. If HTTPS is not on, then if anything comes via HTTP, it will forcefully redirect to the HTTPS, whatever the domain is and whatever the requested URI or file path is. Now go to this, let's, okay, 7, wait, there's something goes wrong. Okay, ampersand, I forgot this, HTTPS colon / ampersand HTTPS. Okay, now what if I want to access this file via HTTP or and then website name? It forcefully redirect to the HTTPS. If I again wants to access via HTTP and then, okay, perfect. So now you can forcefully redirect to the HTTPS. If you are running same htaccess on localhost, make sure to check this condition, if https host is not localhost, http host is not localhost, because we cannot, I guess we cannot install SSL in localhost. So internal server, what happened? http host, okay, ampersand http localhost. Where is my file? Okay, forget about this. Just now, so in this tutorial we have discussed how we can internal redirection, external redirection, error document, how you can set up custom pages for the error document, how we can stop indexing of our website, and how we can forcefully redirect. So in couple of video, in maybe further video, I will discuss some more powerful or feature of htaccess. Till now, thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel.